understand our way of life.
Thank you, Herr Lieutenant. And now I must return to my work.
Wait a minute. I have something to tell you. Because of the fine reports on your work here, I've recommended you for special study in geopolitics at the University in Berlin. It's a very great honor, Anna. It'll bring us closer to each other.
You must withdraw your recommendation at once.
Why?
Because I hate everything this place stands for. I lied to Nicky. Because there's no way out for me. And I won't have him killed trying to find one.
I don't believe you. You're a German. You'd only give our way of living a fair chance.
You can't give evil and rottenness a fair chance.
I don't know what you're saying, Anna.
I do. I'm saying that there's no choice between my world and yours.
You're upset and disturbed because of seeing Nicky again. You've done your work well because you're a German. Slowly, even the things that you didn't understand at first are becoming clear to you.
I did my work because there was no fighting it. But I warn you, I'd rather die than do what you ask.
It's too late to withdraw the recommendation now. You'll be called to the Ministry of Education any day. I know you won't be foolish enough to refuse the